All right, what's going on, traders? Welcome to today's trading recap. Today was Fed Day, okay? Today was by far the most important trading day of the week, and many traders, myself included, were on the edge of our seats waiting to see what the Fed would do, okay? Matter of fact, what I think was a lot of traders out there were betting against this market today. They were betting on a big sell-off, and boy, did those people get their faces chopped off today, right? If there's one thing that you guys and gals have learned from today's trading, it's that volume does not lie, okay? It will always tell you the truth about which way the market is trending. But first, we got to look at what exactly did the Fed say today or do today. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see this headline from today right at the top of the page. Federal Reserve holds interest rates at the highest level in almost 25 years. And that's not even the worst of it, all right? What they were talking about at the press conference today is not thinking at all about rate cuts, right? They're not even remotely thinking about cutting right now. Instead, right, you can see here, Powell and all the members of the committee were asking, hey, should we hike more? You understand? And if we go back and look at the charts, man, in my humble opinion, this market should have been down thousands and thousands of ticks today. But you know what? Volume does not lie. Okay? I mean, I truly feel sorry for all those poor bastards who tried to short the market or who tried to even, bet against the market yesterday based on some sort of sell-off today. But I'm willing to bet you that a majority of those people are amateur traders, retail traders, just people that are freaking clueless at trading the market. Meanwhile, all of my people, my customers and my clients, we saw this happening, right? You can see here right at about 1:50 p.m. this afternoon, about 20 minutes after the press conference, right? You really did not have to wait that long for the market to reveal its true destiny today. Okay, we all knew that based on this volume indicator, the market was just going to surge, as it typically does, just destroying and crushing all of those short sellers. But for me personally, folks, I only traded in the morning session. I was too nervous. You could even say I was too chicken to trade in the afternoon. And as you also know, I typically limit my trading to just the morning session. And yep, you guys and gals, we caught this move on the NAS today, right? This was just a thing of absolute beauty. You can see this volume indicator actually turned green at 7:30 on the dot. The market then establishes a nice upward momentum, proving to me that this move was real. I was convinced of it. All right. And then, yep, you guessed it. I'm just sitting back, drinking my coffee, listening to some jazz, waiting for the market to pull back and give us one of these. Okay. Jesus Christ, man, it was too easy this morning. All right, now let me zoom in here and get you guys dialed in. All right, once again, I love talking about risk reward. This is how I nail these high probability setups very often, man. All right, so look. Why is this a perfect setup? Okay, well, listen, it's a retracement and it's a green reversal bar that prints against the green volume indicator, right? That makes it a color match, green on green, and this is deep enough for me to consider it a nice retracement. So I look to go long on the open of the next bar. My stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath that signal bar's low. And you guys know how we draw this profit grid, right? There's 1-to-1, there's 2-to-1, there's 3-to-1, there's 4-to-1. You could do this profit grid, man, all day long. And I've also told you that the NAS is one of those symbols where, in my opinion, you can consistently rely on like 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 risk reward, okay? And what does that mean? Well, you got to be willing to put some risk on the table in order to capture your reward. That's what we as traders do. We are hunters, okay? Every single day when we get to our trading machine and we enter the market, this is the only thing that we look for. These beautiful, what I call perfect, gorgeous, sexy, textbook retracement opportunities. And in my humble opinion, this is the definition of a high probability setup. And many of my customers and clients will tell you, man, it is shocking how often these setups appear. And so no matter what the Federal Reserve is doing, no matter what's going on out there in the world, guys, we have to be laser focused on just doing what we were meant to do, which is looking for these high probability setups, putting some risk on the table, and using a volume-based indicator to try to bag huge profits as often as we can, as much as we can. Okay, so congrats to everybody who nailed this trade bright and early this morning. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? All I can tell you is we are going to be prepared, and we're going to continue to look for these kick-ass trades. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.